If we go to Apple, we're heading towards our targets. We've had these targets on our chart for a long, long time. And the way that I'm counting this is 1, 2, 3. This is a big 4, fifth wave up into here, maybe a double top, maybe a bit higher. If this is the alternative top, this is probably some kind of a weird diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And we're going to get a 3-wave retrace back up into here. No matter how you slice it, we got some kind of a bounce coming. Our target was 163 if we got there. I think we got up to 165. I don't think we're going to buy. Ever since the red count became my primary, we're no longer looking to buy. We're now looking to de-risk. And I don't think any of the buys we made, even the momentum play that we just recently made, is going to be cashed out for a loss. I think this bounce will be bigger than a lot of people are anticipating right now. I think everyone's setting up for an imminent crash.